Hi guys, how are you? That's Lily. What's wrong with you?
I have nothing.
She's driving. Please, she just got her license yesterday. Pray for us. I'm kidding. I trust her. Ninja, Nimera guys, are you okay? No, I haven't shot a video in a while, so I don't know if I still can. You should try. It gets in your seat belt.
We're not going anywhere.
I know, but hey, safety first.
Yeah, some people are dramatic, ne? I wonder what you do when you have to drive again.
Alone. I can drive alone. When I'm with people, yeah, that's when I get
scared, ne?
anxious.
She even wrote directions. Ikit, you know the fear of getting lost in Joburg. Do you know?
Have data. Let's put directions.
Yay, I need to
wait.
change my
Origin
phone.
Center is.
It's here. No,
it's here.
I'm saying directions to Sci-Bono. You know.
Oh. Hi. Sfigile. You went up here. Asambeni. This place is pretty cool. I wanna paint. Yes. Okay.
Hello, how are you? Are you coming?
Let's go, Lily. No, you're not.
You are a quarter halfway.
Lily, go.
Go, Lily, go. Go, Lily, go. Go, Lily, go.
Go, Lily, go. Go, Lily, go.
Lily, jump.
problem
using different types of toothpaste because I've gotten used to making my own toothpaste. And what type of toothpaste do you prefer? You prefer elephant toothpaste? And where do you buy elephant toothpaste? Where do you buy elephant toothpaste? Because I want to go and buy it.
We don't buy
I make
elephant toothpaste.
This is my toothpaste. Okay. Now I'm going to use special water sourced from Sci-Bono. And then, because I want my teeth to shine throughout the year, I'm obviously gonna put dishwashing liquid. Yes. Yes, I said dishwashing liquid. You hear me clearly. And then, for color, I'm gonna add some food coloring. And then, because I want it to have that sweet taste, I'm gonna pour in some icing sugar. Are you ready?
Yes. Elephant toothpaste.
Yes. Now, let me tell you guys, this was not water from Sci-Bono. It's actually a chemical known as hydrogen peroxide, which is the color changing chemical that we use when we dye our hair. And this is not icing sugar, it's a chemical known as potassium iodide. So this toothpaste is not edible and it's extremely dangerous. Hence, I had to put on my gloves. Okay, now let's move right along. So when I want to make fire on a campsite, I just take a chemical known as potassium iodide, potassium permanganate. Okay. You know potassium permanganate? Yes. Those purplish crystals. I just take my potassium permanganate and then I take pure glycerin, which is obviously found in the house, and it's used in our body lotions. I just mix it through. See if I can get some.
What?
Yeah.
I won't tell anyone. How many times do you fight?
Too many times in the car.
20 times in a car. You're saying 20 times in a car? Hey! Now, did you know that your fat is a gas? It contains methane gas, which is highly flammable. Now here, because I know and understand that farting in the presence of others is rude, I'm not going to fart, or no one is going to fart. But I'm going to use a chemical known as calcium carbide, which produces a gas known as acetylene. Are we ready? I'm going to count down from 5 to 1.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Now this will happen in case you fart next to flames. Methylated spirit. But this is why it's methylated spirit. Now methylated spirit is highly flammable. But the danger of methylated spirit is it evaporates. If you can leave a methylated spirit bottle open, in a few seconds you'll find it empty. because it evaporates. But that doesn't mean it's not dangerous. So I'll show you what happens to those to that evaporation. Just gonna spray it in, and then I'm gonna empty. Because I want it empty. So we are left with the vapor. Let's just assume that this is my house, and I've gone to the shops and left a bottle of methylated spirit open. Then I come back and it's gone, and I think, oh, I'm safe. But unfortunately, because I have a friend who smokes, and she accidentally drops a stick, a matchstick. On a countdown from 3 to 1, let's see what's going to happen. 3, 2, 1. Did you see that? Did you see that?
Aye.
Are you ready for it? Are you ready? Are you sure? I want to make it bigger. Okay, give me your hand. Okay, on a countdown from 3 to 1.
3, 2, 1.
Let's give